Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning. How is everyone doing? Good morning. Let me see. The camera's a little bent. I feel like. Let's see. Or am I tripping? I feel like the camera's a little bent this morning. That should be better. Chat, we got a crazy move so far overnight. The ring light of doom is on my PC. Alright, chat, we got a crazy move overnight. We dumped like what? How many points is this? 2% almost. And then Trump said, China, no tariffs, so we bought right back up. I think low day might be in here. I'm not gonna lie. I think we're gonna grind. I don't know if we're gonna grind up, but I think the lows might be in. We're currently in a 4-hour gap. We'll see how we close here. If we do get a 4-hour IFEG, I think 870s could be a target. Inside week is what it's looking like here. Sunday lows seem protected for now, but this could be a possible drop here. Let me mark this out. 870s. 870. You catch any of the overnight moves? No, bro. I did not. A little bit of gold action yesterday. Gold had a crazy move, but that's about it. Alright, let me get signed into everything. Kinda woke up late. Let's see. But yeah, I want to see probably higher prices off this open here. That's kind of what I'm aiming for. We have some 15-minute gaps here just in case we want to tap into them. Crazy moves though. Size down is very volatile. Hourly gap for higher. Yep. You are right. I think this, as long as this hourly gap holds, I'm gonna be bullish. If we do inverse this hourly, then I'm gonna be obviously bearish. But if I'm probably gonna end up holding this, in my opinion. Just gonna stay patient and see what we get. Probably near the next 4 hours. Good. Don't forget OPEC says who might some horror PA. True. What's your bias? As long as the hourly holds, I'll look for upside. That's kind of what my bias is right now. Trump. When is Trump done talking? I don't know. He saved the market though. He said tariffs aren't gonna last on China or some shit. And they're like, oh what? And then he pumped the shit. It's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, we literally nipped the low of Tuesday and came right back up. We were pretty I mean, not pretty close, but we got to almost the Sunday lows. How far was ES? ES was only 30 points away. And then you brought it back. Interesting stuff. Yeah, it is bullish for now. Man, please help me. You can save my life, man. I'm so hopeless right now, bro. I don't think I'm in the position to save anyone's life, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's just me being honest. Chat, are we all bullish? Is everyone looking for upside here? Or what's the move? I think the upside's the move here. Damn, we are so fucking aggressive, dude. So aggressive. No bias? Okay, that's actually really nice. That's a good take. The hourly gap time was, yeah, the hourly. Dude, I feel like we can argue both sides. That's always yeah, it is OPEC. Someone said it right now, so we'll see. But I think no bias is always a good way to play it. So far, we're just grinding up from the hourly gap. 870s I have marked out because that's the 4-hour FEG that hasn't got tapped into. Very aggressive stuff. Little woman if it rally up. This gap probably holds us for into those highs. Like 804, I think. But the 15-minute frame, why doesn't it want to go up? That's why. Oh yeah. I think we'll see. We'll see what happens on this 15-minute here. We'll see. I think if we clear this 15-minute, it's actually a good draw into 870s. We're definitely gonna be a little cautious today. It is Friday. We had a really good week. I don't want to do anything crazy. Chat, make sure you drop a like on the stream. We just got a new batch of giveaways to give away, obviously. So let's run up the likes. 200 likes again, and we'll do 2 giveaways. Every 100 likes, we'll do a giveaway. Drop a like on the stream. Drop a like on the stream. This would be a good break of structure trade here. But I think we're going to take out the highs before we get that. Yeah. We're going to take out. I wanted to see if we got to break a structure above this 1 minute and then take it higher, but we're going. It is Tradeify. It is Tradeify. We got other accounts too, so we got it all. We got it all. Chat, the bias is good for upside. The 15-minute goes ICG here. That's going to be really bullish. We have these 4-hour untapped gaps. Trump saved the market pre-market by saying no tariffs on China. Or it's not sustainable on China. Chat, we got 500 people in here, only 68 likes. Let's just get to 100. We'll do a giveaway right now. Right now, we'll do one right now. I've been liking the 5-minute time span giveaways. They're pretty good. Rat headwear, dude. This is the go-to Tigger hat. I wear it usually every Friday. All right, currently took out overnight highs. No position for me yet. Looking at the hourly and the 15-minute, we're currently still rejecting this area, so it's kind of chopping around. GC nuke 60 points right now. Oh my god, dude. Dude, GC is fucking crazy, bro. If you can catch this on like, yo, 125 likes already. Chat, fuck it. Let's do a giveaway right now. Chat, let's do a fucking giveaway right now. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. This is for the earliest giveaway we had on stream. Let's do a giveaway right now. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We got 5 minutes on the timer. 50K Tradeify eval. Good luck. Chat, y'all know what the deal is. Press this button right here. If you guys are new, let me link the Discord in the bottom for you guys. Discord link, boom. 150 likes already. We'll see. Everyone, go join the Discord and join the giveaway right now. Basically, react to this thing right here. You get entered, and then you will be. If you win, just DM me on Discord. I'll give you a code for a free 50K Tradeify or Tradeify account. Excuse me. Run it up, run it up, run it up. I'll update you guys when it's like 2 minutes left to make sure everyone got in. Yeah, the GC is fucking crazy, bro. Catching one of those moves on like good sides is all you need. Yeah, we got a bunch of more. Got a bunch of Tradeify accounts, more Lucid accounts, and should be able to rock out. Damn, good shit, Kate. Good shit. All right, chat. Nothing yet so far. We'll probably wait on our 1 hour close. This hourly gap has my interest though. If this hourly gap somehow goes inverse, then obviously we'll look for lower. These 15-minute lows also have my interest right here. So that would be our internal sell side that I'll see here. No trades yet. No trades yet. Morning, Hura. Staying patient here. Just staying patient. ES relative equal lows on the 5 minute. You're talking about down here? Or down here? Next 4 hour just skyrocket. I think if we get a 5 or 1 or 4 hour close and get an inversion here, I think the next 4 hour will be bullish, yeah. Low a day. If we get low a day, oh yeah, we do. If we get low a day, that would be fucking crazy. We did sweep the lows, but we'll see. How big of a move is that? It's a 1.4% move. Chat, we got 2 minutes left in the giveaway. 2 minutes left. If you guys aren't joining the giveaway, go ahead and join it right now. Join it right now if you guys aren't in. I'll look to trade near our 4 hour close. This is a good target down here. There's relative equal lows. Or the equal lows, actually. Alright, there's our 15-minute lows that we're about to take out right now. We'll see how this 15-minute gap reacts. The way it looks like, we only have 15 minutes left on this 4-hour. We're not going to get a 4-hour IFEG. We'll need to go back into like the 7:30. So we'll see how this 15-minute gap reacts. Still in the hourly as well. Alright, 10 seconds on the giveaway. Let's see who wins it. Let's see who wins it. 2, 1. BZ. Lifetime member in the Discord. You have won the giveaway. Congrats, bro. Congrats. Shout out, BZ. Shoot me a DM and I'll send you a code whenever. Just shoot me a DM. Rigged. Shit's rigged. Chat, what do you guys think? We're going to end green today or red overall? NQ is currently down 0.4%. ES is down 0.2%. What do you guys think? Congrats, Brian's burner. Green, balanced day, yeah. I had a feeling this was going to be an inside week, which we did get an inside week so far. Extremely volatile. Make sure you get their size down. Four-hour rail also considered short, but asking for a Q. Yeah, that would be like a 1.5%. No, I'm not talking about P&L. I'm talking about what the market's gonna do, Max. I always ask chat every day in the morning what the market, where we're gonna end at. Oh, yeah. Alright, 5 minute. We did not take out those lows yet. We're currently getting a move back up. Let's see. I'm just interested in the 4-hour time frame. Imagine think you're gonna be red, Pino, why would you be here? Hey, bro, some people just have a bad mental, dude. I don't know. Alright, we did not sweep those lows, and NQ decides to take out these highs. This little trend line is still holding. You guys see this right here? This is a Tory Trades trend line right here. And chat, this is what we're going to probably do right here. We're probably going to create a megaphone and just chop in the megaphone until we get a breakout. If you guys don't know what a megaphone is, it's just a broadening wedge. Basically seek and destroy conditions. This looks like a start of a beautiful megaphone? Absolutely. I think it does too. This should get a move up now. We'll see this 1 minute fair value gap that's about to get created. See if we can work off that. This feels a little sketchy. It's gonna be wide TPs today and wide stop losses. I'm just waiting for the 4 hour Herbert. It's going for the 4 hour close. Seems like yesterday's open, yeah. No, I don't only use a 1 minute. I just use whatever I feel like has the best structure. In this case, when we have volatile, the 1 minute has very good structures, so I just use the 1 hour. Let's see if we hold true with what price has been doing. We've been going up in AM and then dumping after PM gets hit, or like start of PM. So let's see if that holds true. Yeah, we've been rallying all night and dumping PM. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I don't expect it to be the same price action 3 days in a row. I think what I expect right now is we're gonna get this. We're gonna get this megaphone right now. This sweep of the highs and that's it. Ideally, I wanted to see that 4 hour up here get hit at 780 or 873. We'll see how we react off of this high sweep. If we come back down off of the sweep, we're going to be in seek and destroy conditions this morning. Yeah, I want to see at least the 4 hour actually get tapped into. Yeah, this is a crazy open range, but it's just been choppy too, so keep that in mind. Relative equal lows down here. Interesting stuff, interesting stuff. I think today's going to be range bound for the most part. So maybe like the 4 hour gap and then lower, we'll see, or I don't know. We'll see. Well, this 4 hour close is about to be in 7 minutes. All right, that's the high got taken out. Let's see what they can do from here. NQ's getting crazy spikes here. The 4 hour gap is approaching us. The 4 hour looks like a pump and dump. It does, dude. It does, it does. Man, I wish they would have like at least closed the 4 hour before taking out these highs, but they didn't even close it, bro. They just sent it. I don't know where this is gonna go. All right, what do you think we're gonna do with this 4 hour? Are we gonna stall out here or actually get a good move off of it? Let me clear my chart a little bit. Getting pretty far from the equal low, I agree. Alright, there's the 4-hour gaps here. We'll see what we get here. I'm going to mark this out just in case we get a range, but I don't know if we're going to get the range. I was waiting on the 4-hour close before taking the upside, but damn, we just took it. We just took it. We'll see what happens. We're about to get a massive 5-minute gap. Asia high was too clean. Yeah, they left pretty much relative equal highs at the 4-hour high. I'm just waiting right now, guys. Honestly, the higher we go right now before this 4-hour close, the less interested I'm getting, because we just closed a 4-hour gap, right? And I was looking for a move into this gap. That was my main DOL, but we didn't get the 4-hour closure before we started moving up. And I thought that would be the best target, which now I don't know, because we're in a 4-hour gap. I don't know if this is going to hold or not. So for me, it's becoming a little less enticing to take a trade in. Just getting a little less enticing. I love this market. Yep, the market's hot, bro. The market's hot. Chat, I'm not gonna lie. I might give this a jab right here if we get this. This is a very risky and be a high risk, obviously with smaller size trade. But if we get something like this, I might give this a jab. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Are we winning the Grand Cup? Bro, someone from the smart team has to win the Grand Cup, bro. We got this. We got this. Chat, we got this. The Grand Cup should be fun, though. It should be interesting. It's the only shot I'll take. Yeah, baby. You live with the shots, man. You live with the shots. You could sign up using code SMART and you'll be part of Team Smart. I think we got it, chat. I'm not going to lie. We got some demon traders in here. First place wins 200K. I'm probably just going to be full porting all my accounts. I'm not going to lie. Five-minute gap about to get made here. ES is not going to put a 5-minute gap in. Chat, get the fucking horns ready. Get the fucking horns ready. We're going in on this, on ES. Let NQ inverse this, and then we'll take it as well. I think this is a high probability trade right here. I'm not gonna lie. Not even gonna front. I think this is a high probability trade. Chat, our reads have been so good though. Like, we're early in the morning. Our reads have been very, very good. Our reads have been very good. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is it, chat. I'm not even gonna cap. You can wait for the 5 minute if you want. I think this is it. I think we're about to go lower. We'll see. If we go lower, I might just go for the CE of this. Yeah. This would be like the CE. Obviously, I'm gonna just trail my stops if I take this. All right, I'm gonna give this a jab on ES. I'm gonna give this a jab. I'm in. Wide stop, so size down. I'm risking like $500 per account. Size the fuck down. If you want to be more safe and less risk, you can wait for the NQ 5 minute IFEG. You can wait for the FEG on NQ instead. Which is probably the better thing to do because we are in a 5 minute, a higher time frame gap here. The 5 minute is higher probability on NQ here. NQ is a little bit stronger as well in this move. Such a strong reaction. That's why the 5 minute close would be better. Yeah, I'll give these a couple goes. I don't want to really short into a 5 minute or into a 4 hour gap. My upside bias is a little. I was bullish going into today. I was looking for higher prices, but we already tapped the 4 hour gap. I don't want to be long into that 4 hour gap. I think today's going to be a range day, so I don't think we're going to go expand too far out. I think we'll end up ranging. NQ has a 5 minute gap. If we do get stopped out of here and we do look for another short, it'll be off this 5 minute inversion right here. That'll probably be the highest probability. Or we'll probably need some S&T up here if we do get that. What is gold doing? It's still going? Holy shit, dude. That's a 2% move on gold. From what it was up last night to what it is right now, it's insane, dude. I think we were up up 2%, now down 2%. That's wild, bro. Gold is crazy. But like I said, catching one of these moves on a higher size you'd be done for the whole year. But you would need like crazy buffer to trade gold. If you're not in yet and if you're looking for entry on ES, I'll wait for this 1 minute IFEG. If this 1 minute goes, then you can enter this. Gold is larger. It's about $150 per point. It moves, and right now it is larger because it moves more. I don't know the exact comparisons, but it moves more. I'm not touching gold, bro. It's too volatile. Fuck around and blow an account, bro. We're probably gonna get stopped after this. That's $10 per tick, yeah. It's like a mini is, I think it's like $150 per point. Honestly, yeah, baby, I'm kind of with you on that. I don't think we're going too much higher. You used all your luck yesterday, bro. I'm up like 50,000 on the week. No, I'm not in a gold short. I'm not in any gold positions. It's too crazy. Too crazy for me. I'll trade gold if it's like okay volatility, but this is just like extreme volatility. Like even with like 1 or 2 minis, you're getting cooked. So aggressive. Yes, sir. Bro, we were like, bro, that was fucking crazy. I'm not gonna lie. That was a bailout of the century. If you guys were here yesterday, you know what's crazy? As soon as we got off stream, I went short on SPX. We caught like 350% with the Discord. That shit was crazy. Yesterday was really nice to read. Someone broke the funded next payout record, chat. They got $140,000 payout on funded next. I think the previous high was 108. Yeah, gold is very hard. The read is difficult. Zamco. What's Zamco? Am I missing something? Oh, the guy's name. Dude, yeah, that guy's a beast, dude. What do you guys know what accounts it was? I like the rapid accounts. Get uncapped payouts after like what three payouts? Five payouts. Honestly, it's really good because 40% consistency you could actually size up too. Yeah, I'm at the fucking dog for that, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's so impressive. Shout out to him. What account sizes was it? What account size was it? He's also up like 100K on my funny future. That's the guy who requested 80K. Oh, I saw that. Yeah, yeah. I'm looking at his page right now. He did request 100K from my funny futures. Dude, this guy's goated, bro. What TBT accounts do you recommend? I always like the higher ones. So he literally requested like 250K back-to-back days. My goat. Zamco, Z-A-M-C-O. He's a new Jade Cap? Bro, I don't know, dude. Jade Cap is 2.5 million, bro. That's a whole different level than 250K. Both are great. I'm not saying one's better than the other, but dude, what Jade Cap did was insane. That shit was insane. Alright, there's our stop out chat on our short attempt here. We'll see what happens as we continue with the day. NQ 5-minute IFG is probably the safer bet here. Taking the 5-minute gap. We're going into a 4-hour gap, so that's why I'm kind of like iffy on where we're going to go from here. Yeah, all good. I mean, I was looking for upside. But then we didn't have our move to the upside until we closed that 4-hour gap, so it made me hesitate. It's all good. Yeah, I got stopped on ES. Free range into, yeah, 100 points in 3 minutes. These are crazy moves, bro. Dude, what if you get previous day high? That would be fucking crazy. Would it be crazy though? It's only like 200 points. Chat, we're going. Bro, what a fucking sweep of hell down here, dude. This is so crazy. Do you guys see like the fear index is like at all-time highs right now? Or it's like at the super fear one and we're down like what? 1.7% from all-time highs. Is gold still going, bro? Holy shit, dude. This shit's dead. We just knifed off open, bro, and just died. It's crazy. Super volatile on gold. Like, gold's like a lottery ticket. You give a couple of chances. A lot of it. Yeah, it's not even at previous low, yeah. No, lower days for sure, and we're definitely not going all the way down here. I just don't feel comfortable trading into this 4-hour gap, but it is what it is. Well, a full consolidation week after last week's move. I'll put the next TP or like next draw at the 4-hour fill. Let's see what NQ does. Bro, we are like, even the retracements are very, very heavy. It is OPEX today. It is. From what I heard. I don't know. I just don't feel comfortable longing into a 4-hour gap. I'm not gonna lie. That's my thing here. We still got this holding, but I do not feel comfortable longing into a 4-hour gap. I would need an inversion at the 4-hour if I'm gonna take it. I think it's gonna be obviously it's gonna be an inside day. We've got inside days the last few days. I don't trust it. I gotta follow the rules. Super aggressive moves. I think PM for me would be a little bit more clear on what this wants to do. Let me clean up on ES. Did we leave like equal highs on 15? Yeah, we did. Like, chat, you guys see, like, I feel like we're kind of building right here. Like, this worries me as well. Like, low resistance is building. I don't know, chat, I don't know. I'm gonna watch NQ though, because NQ is the one who's kind of leading. Trading into gaps is always good because they're a high probability draw. It's just that once we're in it, it gets a little difficult with bias. Yeah, I'm not comfy long, so I'm not gonna take anything. Most likely. All right, chat. 250 likes. We'll do another giveaway right now. We need 50 more likes, and we'll do another giveaway on stream. 50 more likes, and we'll do a giveaway on stream. We already did one earlier. This will be our second one here. On the actual stream itself. Almost there, almost there. Tesla is doing good. Rip, yep. I think we're gonna chop for rest of the day. I don't think we're gonna go higher, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Or we might go a little bit, but I don't think we can go much higher where it's like a crazy upside move. I think we're pretty much getting close to being at the highs for today. And it's kind of chopping around. We're back at this trend line here. There's a lot of low resistance liquidity on ES. Julius, I'm right with you. I was going for those lows as well. I would have taken this long 1,000% if we would have taken out these lows. But since we didn't, it made me hesitate. For sure, made me hesitate. All right. That's 250 likes as promised. Let's do another one. Oh, application did not respond. Usually it takes a few tries. I'll let you guys know when it's active. I'll let you guys know when it's active. Alright, there you go. We'll do 3 minutes this time. 3 minutes. One winner. Alright. And then submit. If you guys aren't in the Discord, I'm going to link it again. Alright, we got 3 minutes in the giveaway. 3 minutes on the giveaway. I don't know. I'm not really buying the upside that much today. I would say shorts don't want to hold over the weekend. It just go. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm not sure why it's not able to accept it. I honestly don't know. All right, giveaway ends in 25 seconds. We got 254 entries. 255 now. Any last second entries, make them now by pressing this button right here. Good luck, good luck. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. IT Man 20, It Man 20. There you go. You are the winner. Congrats. DM me and I'll get you your account after stream. I'll get your account after stream. Just DM me on Discord. Dude, the market is comedy though, bro. One thing about tariffs, we dump 5%. One thing about tariffs being solved, we go right back up. This is so manipulated. More than it usually is. Obviously, everyone knows the market's manipulated. Still holding the trend line here on SPX, ES, and NQ. Oh, formula trades, I'm pretty sure you were blocked, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like positive you were. Let me see this. Formula. So there were the formula trades who's acting as Lanto. So I think I put the bot in and bans every formula trades. We're kind of slowing down here, chat. Kind of slowing down here. Five and 15 minute are slowing down. I can't believe we didn't take those lows. Let me see. No, you're not. You're not banned, actually. I just checked the thing. You are not banned. Wait, join now. Try to join now. Try to join now. No, he doesn't. He doesn't. Is Trump live right now? I don't know. Yo, hey man, you have crazy luck. Is this your second time winning a giveaway in a month? Let me check this out. I think it's your second time winning in a month. Bro, got some luck. Chat, where is chopping right now? I don't know. Liquid win in the year. Shorts coming. I mean, we'll see. I'm fine with playing the shorts while it's playing out versus trying to top tick this. It's too slow for me right now. This is very choppy. It's a chop fest. It's a chop fest, but it also has volatility, so it's like not a good combo. I would love to come back into range and sweep those lows eventually on NQ. To me, that would be ideal, but we're very far now. We're like 200 points away from these lows. I can't believe we left these lows, dude. That was wild. They almost could have made this a perfect sweep. That's why I get chopped up, staying away from this last season. Yeah, bro. This is when you want to definitely stay away from the top price action. Like, I would just wait and see if you start getting the expansion, then we'll start, you know, looking for lower. But I already tried my shorts, got stopped, and I want to front run this. That would be good. Honestly, I think we could. This is the exact same situation as like the last markets, where we moved up, we manipulated higher, and now we're moving lower. And if we get some crazy like move right now, by crazy move I mean like if NQ inverses this like 1 minute here, ES also does, maybe I'll get interested in taking a jab. It's still too early for me to take it, but it could be promising. We'll see. It's happening every day this week. It is. Let's see if they do it for the third time. If anything, the only thing I'd take here is this. If I'm looking for aggressive shorts, I'll be like, I'll take this. That's what I'll take. It'll be a wide stop, but then I'm also aiming for these lows down here. Like, London down here somewhere? London's way low, but like maybe like the 6 a.m. lows. If we do a rinse and repeat of yesterday, right? Like, this could be possible, but nothing confirms it yet. There's no structure yet. Chat. You guys know I wanted shorts from earlier, so let's see what we can get here. I'm not gonna lie. You guys know I was pretty bearish all day today. Chat, get ready. I'm taking these. Same risk. Wait for the NQI IFG. Like I posted in the Discord, like I was like, I'm not really interested in taking the 4-hour gap. I feel like we are close to a top today. We'll get better reads in PM. We haven't broken range all week. Not expecting it today. And that was at, what was that? 12 minutes ago. So like at the highs. We'll see though. All right, chat. I'm gonna jab this with my girls because obviously we're gonna look for a lot of points. It's probably an off stream trade. Yeah, bro. I'm running literally 3 micros. That's like less than $600 risk. I'm gonna just either get a fair value gap entry here. ES already in the fair value gap. You guys can either enter here or the fair value gap. I think any entry, especially with micros, is fine here. And it'll probably be a trade that's gonna be running off stream. I'm not gonna lie, because we're pretty much about to wrap up here anyways. But I'm gonna give you guys an entry and stuff like that. So we're gonna get pretty close to wrapping up stream here. But I'm gonna give you guys, that's my entry, that's my stop TP. If you guys are in the Discord, obviously I'm gonna keep you guys updated on all the plays and whatnot, but I'm gonna probably wrap up here soon. Chat, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream this week. We went live pretty much every day besides Monday. It was a bank holiday. I hope you guys were able to catch some of our trades this week. We had like 3 back-to-back 100-point trades this week. SPX in the Discord back-to-back 300%. So, and then hopefully this trade goes in our favor too for another big gain. But I'm gonna hop out of stream. Usually Fridays a little bit earlier. I'm also gonna probably do a trio stream with Brian in Atlanta later, so I don't want to burn myself out. I'll update you guys on the play on Discord. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up here. All right, peace and love, chat. I'm in very small size. We're at with like 3 micros, less than $500 risk. Keep that in mind. All right, peace and love, chat. Peace and love.